Hello, creative people. Our word for today is Zentangle. Before we get started, let's talk about the elements and principles of art that will be used in this video. So the elements of art that we are going to use would be line, shape, form, and space. And for the principles of art, we are going to use balance, contrast, pattern, rhythm, repetition, and unity. So these are the ingredients that are necessary in each and every work of art in order for it to be a successful masterpiece in Zentangle. So what is a Zentangle? A Zentangle, also sometimes referred to as a Zen Doodle. It is a fun, relaxing approach to abstract drawing. Also, I want you to know that a Zentangle or Zen Doodle is different from doodle. The difference though is that doodling is done out of boredom, most notably on the margins in one's class notes, and mindlessness most times. The doodles are not what one plans to do. While Zentangle is focused on creating pattern designs and mindfulness, you are purposely drawing something so that you do not think. Zentangles are structured and often repetitive patterns. Well, it may look simple, but there's a lot going on here. Savor this time as you discover and enjoy all the Zentangle method in this video. So here I am creating contrast between black and white, which is the positive and negative space. Positive space refers to the main focus of a picture, which is the black, while negative space refers to the background, which is the white. So if you notice, I am creating tangles with combinations of dots, lines, simple curves, S-curves, and orbs. These simple shapes are the elemental strokes in all Zentangle art. So all of these patterns can be drawn on small pieces of paper called tiles. We call them tiles because you can assemble them into mosaics. Make sure you keep your hand in a relaxed position. You don't need to know what a tangle is going to look like to draw it. You just need to know the steps. As you use the Zentangle method to create beautiful images, you likely will enjoy increased focus, creativity, self-confidence, and an increased sense of well-being. So this design is on organic shapes that are free-flowing shapes usually found in nature. Sometimes these shapes are called free-form shapes. Then I just added some geometric shapes and lines as background. content of language, age, political views, religious beliefs, or any other category that separate one from another. The Zentangle approach encourages self-respect and a respect for your creativity by using the best materials available. These need not mean the most expensive. If you were creating Zentangle art on the beach at low tide, you would still choose the best stick you could find and the most smoothest area on which to tangle. This design is called overlapping. That is when a shape is in front of the other and closer objects are in front of objects further away.